really unique spec on this 2017 TA 1.0 Dodge Viper that we just got in on trade. The car is already pending sale, but you see most TAs are finished in the TA orange or black. This one, a one-off color. A lot of people reached out to us when we posted this car, letting us know that they saw it at the factory, and it was one of, if not the cleanest spec out there. They love the color combination with the special ordered blue and the painted silver stripes. What's really cool about it, as well as you go into the interior here, we'll show you guys shortly, it has the black interior with the orange stitching just like the TAs, as well as even the calipers here painted with the orange writing with Viper as well. So what you're starting to see now on these Gen 5 Vipers, the ACR Extremes, the ACRs are definitely leading the pack, but it is lifting the prices up of all other Gen 5s. The next best model to probably get is the TA, whether it's a 1.0 or 2.0. I always like the 1.0s, a little bit sleeker look. The 2.0s look like an ACR kind of wannabe with all of the different aero. Nothing to take away from those cars, but I like the 1.0 version a lot better for my taste. As you look here, you'll see it was optioned with the Sidewinder wheels. So in the front, you'll have 18-inch wheels. On the back, you'll have 19-inch. This car currently sitting at about 4,700 miles on the odometer. Another feature on this that I like is the 6-vent hood. Gives it a nice look. Really well-spec'd car. A lot of the TAs were earlier years. This one being a 2017 makes it extremely rare. I don't want to give numbers because we're hearing a lot of different things, but it's extremely low. Again, Dodge, I think, did not the best job in terms of keeping accurate numbers, accurate records for the whole generation of Gen 5 Vipers. As you move into the interior here, again, you guys will see the leather seats with the orange stitching. What's cool too with the Gen 5s is no matter if you got an ACR Extreme or the TAs, the interior, outside of the GTS Laguna option is relatively the same. The TA option was $7,700 and it gave you the carbon fiber front splitter as well as a carbon fiber rear spoiler and that Time Attack, the TA suspension. We went over the wheels and the tires with you guys already. Also has the factory custom body exterior paint, which was a $2,000 upcharge for that special ordered blue. The SRT hood and the billet silver GTS racing stripes were an additional $5,000. This car is also going to be equipped with the carbon fiber X-Brace. So again, in 2017, you had a couple different options for carbon fiber. 3 options being the X-Brace, carbon fiber exterior, carbon fiber interior. This one, again, equipped with the X-Brace. Another cool thing with the Gen 5s is the motors, all the same. You have that V10 naturally aspirated engine, so depending on your trim, didn't matter. You were still getting the same motor that was equipped in the ACR Extremes and the ACRs. So a great piece right here, sold before listing. We had so many calls, messages, emails, people reaching out. I would say it was without a doubt probably our most popular car that we've had in inventory in quite a long time. And again, sold prior to listing because I think people are starting to catch on that the ACR Extremes were undervalued for so long, and we've seen those cars take a huge hike. And it's only natural to think that these Gen 5s that are not ACR Extremes are going to be lifted because of it. And that's exactly what we have seen here as of late and what we're going to continue to see, in my opinion.